Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra that can't install apps to be more productive. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, if you are trying to install apps from the Play Store and the apps are not installing, then try Galaxy Store. Now in Galaxy Store, if you are still unable to install the apps, then it means the problem is with your device. So to fix this problem, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on device care. Now in device care, click on storage, and then from here check if your storage is running out. Then delete some images, videos or any other unuseful files from your device to free up some space. And after doing this, you will be able to install apps from App Store or Play Store. But if you are still unable to install the apps in your device, then the second solution is open settings again, scroll down to the end, and here click on software update, and then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. And after updating your mobile software to latest version, your small issues in your previous software version will be fixed. But after installing the latest version of software, if you are still facing the same problem, then the last solution is open settings again, scroll down and here click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset. Now click on reset all settings and then again click on reset settings. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and then again click on this reset option to confirm. So when you will click on reset option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your device. And after doing this, your problem will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.